Straight ahead, straight ahead.
We arrived on the 20th of October. Obviously, there was no indications that there was a storm coming. We have spent since Thursday trying to figure out where and what, but it wasn't until about an hour ago that we got a notification to say that we were going home. Up until an hour ago, we had no ideas about what was happening. We were kind of resigned ourselves to the fact that we were going to be stuck in a hurricane. We are leaving 2 days earlier. WestJet managed to finally get a rescue flight for us. So we're leaving on the 7:45 flight to go home.
Yeah, hi. We're on vacation. It was supposed to be for 8 days. We made it 7 days because of the hurricane. So we're leaving a day early with JetBlue.
Yeah, I came here for vacation to reunite with family and friends. I've not been here since I was 5 years old, and unfortunately my stay was cut short. I came on the 15th. I was meant to leave on the 29th, but I'm leaving now. And yes, my flight was insured, but I ended up missing it. So, because one of my other friends were meant to come to join as well, and I didn't want them to get stuck from Germany. So I had to stay back to make sure they're okay, because I don't know anyone here. I've got family, but yeah. So I had to see them off just not so long ago, and now I'm returning and paying for a new ticket to get back to East Yorkshire, north of England.
So we were on vacation for like 4 days, and we decided to wait it out and not cut the vacation because we just hoped the weather would change. It didn't change, and they switched our flight 4 times, and so now we're just hoping that they don't switch the flight again. It was a great experience until the weather came. It was treacherous.